So we have already studied about heat and the temperature. We have learned about the difference between the two. Also, we have seen about the transfer of heat like conduction, convection and radiation. But there are some more concepts which are left, and those are we are going to learn in our 10th standard. We have already done that solid when given the heat converts into the liquid. Liquid when given the heat gets converted into gaseous state. So transformation of the states takes place because of heat. Either you remove the heat or you give the heat, isn't it? So this year we are going to learn about the latent heat, anomalous behavior, dew point, humidity and the specific heat capacity, which is useful in our day-to-day life. So let's begin with it. Let us try to understand first about the latent heat. Here children, in front of you in a beaker, I have in a small ball I have taken the pieces of ice. Okay, down you have a burner which is yet off. Teapot set, उसके ऊपर वायर का है, उसके ऊपर मेरा ये बॉल है, right? So now this is the arrangement we have kept. So we have in a glass beaker all the things. We are going to keep the thermometer also inside this ice, and we are going to measure the temperature. Children, can you tell me what will be the temperature of this in a present condition when you have taken ice?
Miss, in minus.
It will be 0 degree because the ice gets water gets converted to ice at 0 degree Celsius. So thermometer will be showing you 0 degree. Alright. So if you see you have to keep the bulb of the thermometer in contact with the ice, or kahan pe bhi nahi, it should be touching the ice. Then it will show the 0 degree Celsius. I hope children you are able to read the thermometer, that वो black color की line या red color की line जहाँ तक पहुँचती है, that is the reading. Normal thermometer which is available in our laboratory measures till 110 degree. Okay, this is just for your information. Now what I am going to do, I am going to heat it. Okay, now burner is on. So when the burner is on, what exactly happens is the heat is given. Now this heat children is used by the ice for the conversion of state. आपने गैस ऑन किया, या तो ऐसे ही नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर भी 20 डिग्री तो होता ही है मिनिमम इन मुंबई. So ice is going to melt even if you are not going to give the heat from outside source, right? So these are the molecules of water, H2O, two white part, one red part, so H2O, that are molecules. Now this is the bonding which was there, the ice form, though solid का form is it is getting converted into liquid. Okay, so till the entire mixture is melted, the thermometer will show 0 degree only. And if you still continue heating children, then what will happen? There will be rise in the thermometer. You will see that it is increasing to 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, etc. So that way it will go ahead and it will reach to 100. You will be surprised that even though the heat is still given, temperature is not going to 102 degree, 105 degree. Water का ice का water बन गया, but after that no, the temperature is not rising after 100. What is exactly happening? At this temperature, the water is getting converted into steam. Okay, so जो हीट दिया है, you will be surprised. हम लोग ने तो बर्नर ऑन रखा था, the heat is supplied, but then तो there is no rise in the temperature. So what must be the reason? It is due to the latent heat. What do you mean by the latent heat? Latent heat मतलब छुपी हुई heat. Okay. The hidden heat you can say. The meaning of the word latent you can take is as a hidden. So when entire ice got converted into liquid, actually the heat is used by the ice for the conversion of the state. So the amount of heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature by the unit mass of solid to convert into the liquid, this is called as the specific latent heat of fusion. Okay, so when we did the heating process, if I draw the graph of it, the graph will look like this. How it will be? First, when you will start, it is in the form of ice. So for say 4 minutes, it took around 4 minutes for the conversion of ice to water. तो इतना हुआ, तो ये यहाँ पे ऐसे 0 0 ही दिखाया. उसके बाद में हीट तो इट इज शोइंग द राइज. ओके, इट इज कंटिन्यूसली राइजिंग 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 टिल व्हाट 100 डिग्री कंटिन्यूस राइज. एंड मेरा पानी गर्म कितने टाइम में होगा? अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 22 मिनट्स में मेरा पानी गर्म हो गया अप टू 100. देयर आफ्टर चिल्ड्रन आई एम स्टिल हीटिंग. मैंने आधे घंटे तक मेरा गैस ऑन ही रखा है. ओके, बट द टेम्परेचर इज शोइंग ओनली 100 से ऊपर नहीं गया. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग? द थिंग्स विच यू शुड नो, देर आर डिफरेंट है. सी, यू हैव AB part, you have this AB part is this way, BC part is this way. Yes, this part is BC, and then you have the CD part. Okay, so just have a look at the parts different. So now this AB part, here in the AB part, the heat is absorbed by the solid for the conversion of the state, right? And that we have seen the latent heat of fusion. Okay, so the amount of heat energy observed at a constant temperature, which is the constant temperature here, 0 degree, by a unit mass of solid to convert into liquid phase is called as the specific heat of fusion. मतलब hidden heat for fusion. फ्यूज़ होता है जब लिक्विड फ्यूज़ होता है तब आइस बनता है ना. So it is liquid latent heat of fusion. Now what this line BC indicates? Line BC indicates the continuous rise in the temperature from 0 to 100, isn't it? So your heat whatever heat you are given, that is used means shown in the thermometer. So it shows the rise in the temperature. So और कहाँ यूज़ नहीं हुई है, बस वो दिख रहा है in the thermometer. But once you reach to 100 degree, you are getting this flat graph again, CD. So here also the heat is used by water to get converted into steam. That means the constant temperature at the liquid transferred to the gaseous state is it's nothing but the boiling point. So कभी ये होता है boiling point पे होता है. So boiling point में the liquid will get converted into the vapors, or you can say the gaseous state. So उसके लिए जो heat use हुई, molecules इतने पास में होते हैं ना solid state में, हाँ, उसके बाद में उनमें heat observe होते हैं, उन लोग ऐसे vibrate होते हैं अपनी जगह पे, and then you will get a liquid state where the molecules are little far, but still if you go on giving heat, they will still vibrate more, and then you will get one atom here, one atom here, one atom here, which is the gaseous state. So the amount of heat absorbed at a constant temperature by the unit mass of liquid to convert into gaseous phase is called as the latent heat of vaporization. Vapor बन रहा है ना, so latent heat of vaporization. Okay, so is this 3 stages clear? So you have here water in the liquid form, here in the solid form, and here you will have change of some from liquid to gaseous, here from solid to liquids. So AB shows solid to liquid, BC shows only liquid state, and CD shows the liquid to gaseous state. So after that, even if you go on giving a heat, you are just going to get the vapors. कब तक होगा? जब तक तुम्हारा पानी पूरा ख़त्म नहीं हो जाएगा, तब तक तो बस फिर आप ख़त्म ही कर दोगे ना एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो 100 डिग्री से ऊपर तुम्हारा, इवन दो thermometer in our lab is showing till 110 degree, it has got a capacity to show that much, but not showing. Okay, because that entire heat is used for conversion of their state. Okay, so solid to liquid, this is what the heat is used. अपने आप को separate करने के लिए heat use किया है, that is the latent heat of fusion. And similarly we have from liquid to gas, so that is the latent heat of vaporization. So the amount of heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature by the unit mass of a liquid to convert into gases. See the words liquid to gaseous. उसमें क्या था? From solid to liquid. किस में? Latent heat of fusion. Latent heat of fusion में solid to liquid. And here you have the latent heat of vaporization. All right. Now here are the substance, their melting point, their boiling point, and how much is the specific latent heat of fusion of that particular substance. It is given. Even the fusion also, and even the vaporization also. Now you may be having a doubt that if it is not showing in the thermometer, then how can we measure it? Children, आप गैस का बर्नर तो ऑन रखे हो ना, तो उसमें का फ्यूल तो आप मेज़र कर पाओगे ना. So you can have a measures of that. So niche issues. So that much you can calculate. So what we have, I'll just talk about the water only. 333 kilojoules per kg. And if you talk about in calories, I hope you know heat is measured in joules and calorie. Do you know this?
Miss joules in what calories?
Okay. आपको here we have sometimes, you know, all those which are diet conscious, how much calorie should be eaten, means how much calorie should be burned if you go to gym, and they are saying, so these are calories. There is nothing but the heat conversion of your burning of the food which takes place in your body. So even the calories is also a unit. I'll tell you the relationship also between this. We will be talking about it little later in this chapter only. But this is what is the things. We in the next period we will be talking about that also. And when you talk about the latent heat of vaporization, it is 2256 kilojoules per kg. Or if you talk about in calories, 540 per gram. Normally we are going to use calorie ka measurement, and in that just children remember 80 and 540. So for the water you are going to remember that latent heat of fusion is 80 calories per gram, and latent heat of vaporization is 540 for water. Okay, rest all this no need to remember. No need to remember, only remember about the water. Okay, now we'll go ahead. Wow, what is it? Gola gola ice balls. Huh? When you go to certain places like water parks, or sometimes if you go to seesaw, गोले वाला बैठता है, and we often eat it. अभी कोरोना में तो सब चला गया, isn't it? But I hope you all had this ice balls. Huh? So ice balls, isn't it surprising? Have you ever noticed what that person who is making ice balls does? He uses the machine. There is you can say a big block of ice is there. Then he uses the machine and crush the ice. हाँ, नीचे उन लोग हाथ में लेते हैं, वो crushed ice होते हैं. And what they do, they either use their hand or they use a glass. In that they keep this crushed ice and then they press it. हाथ में भी press करते हैं. And when they remove, what happens is it gets that shape, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Yes. So the shut eyes is pressured around the tip, and then they apply inside that stick also, isn't it? So they the tip of the stick to prepare the ice ball. So this is how the ice ball is been. But how does this the shredded ice got converted into solid ice ball? You can try it out. आपको pieces मिलेंगे.
Miss, due to pressure.
Yes, due to pressure, what exactly happens is children, the melting point goes low. आप घर पे भी अब कुछ नहीं ना, आइस क्यूब घर पे अगर आइस ट्रे है, आइस के 2-3 क्यूब्स लो, ओके, और उसको है ना 2 क्यूब को साथ में लेके उसको प्रेस करो, देखो वो भी जॉइंट हो जाएगी. सो व्हेन यू अप्लाई द प्रेशर चिल्ड्रन, द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट गोज डाउन. सो 0 से भी डाउन मतलब 3-4 डिग्री पे ही उन लोग मेल्ट हो जाएंगे. और जैसे आप प्रेशर रिमूव करोगे अगेन इट विल कम टू 0 डिग्री. सो व्हाट विल हैपन अगेन, दैट मेल्टेड आइस विल कम टू सॉलिडिफाई, सो दैट विल गेट जॉइन. तो वो दोनों लिक्विड हो गए थे, वापस जॉइन होके सॉलिड हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ हाउ दैट हैपन्स. इज नाउ द सेम थिंग्स. This is our day-to-day life practical example, but here experiment is given on your page number 64 of your textbook under the heading regulation. So here children, you are going to take slab of ice. Okay, you are going to take a slab of ice and you are going to keep it over the stand. So on the stand you are going to keep this ice slabs. Okay, now what you are going to do it, you are going to take 2 equal weights to 2 ends of the metal wire and then put the wire on the slab. एक लोखंड का तार वगैरह ले लेना, you can have this and then you are going to keep a weight over it. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 2 ताला लगा दिया है. So the weight is there. So this is a simple experiment which you can do. आपके पास मेटल की वायर हो सकती है और ताला दोनों साइड में इतना वेट करके कर सकते हो. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल सी, यू विल सरप्राइज दैट द एंटायर वायर हैज़ पास थ्रू द आइज. देखो नीचे गिर गई है, कैन यू सी हियर. देखो ये रही वायर के साथ में पूरा आया. सो इट हैज़ पास थ्रू द आइज slab, but ice slab is not broken also. No, don't you think so? It is magic. It is not magic, but it is the science. So what exactly happens is, because of the weight, what weight was here, okay, this weight is applying the pressure over it. प्रेशर होने से यहाँ का जो ये पार्ट का है वहाँ पर मेल्टिंग पॉइंट डाउन हो गया. सो हियर इट विल फॉर्मिंग अ लिक्विड. सो लिक्विड के अंदर तार तो घुस जाएगा ना. सो इतना घुसा. सो ऊपर का जो पार्ट है उसके अंदर अभी प्रेशर नहीं रहा है बिकॉज तार थोड़ी अंदर गई. सो वहाँ पे अगेन द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट विल राइज, सो इट विल गेट सॉलिडिफाइज. तो अभी तार अंदर आया, वो वजन के और नीचे उसने प्रेशर दिया. ओके, एंड दिस सेम प्रोसेस गोज़ ऑन. मिडल पार्ट, स्टार्टिंग का पार्ट था, उसका जो मिडल पार्ट था, देन डाउन 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 एंड अल्टीमेटली इट पासिस थ्रू द एंटायर ग्लास स्लैब. एंड व्हाट यू विल सी, द आइस स्लैब इज नॉट ब्रोकन. सो एक्चुअली वो हो रहा है, ब्रेक हो रहा है, बट अगेन वो जॉइन हो जा रहा है. ब्रेक हो रहा है, आगे वापस जॉइन हो जा रहा है. So this is how it is happening. So is this part clear to you everyone? So now let us start with the anomalous behavior of water. Anomalous, it is something different which is not common. कुछ opposite, obvious से opposite behavior water का है, that we are going to learn. Now I'll just tell you children, very surprising things happen in case of water. Normally what happens is, अगर हम लोग किसी को कूल करते हैं तो उसके सब मॉलिक्यूल्स पास में आ जाते हैं एंड इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स Agreed? So when you cool it, it contracts. Right? So water also, you just take it. फ्रिज में पानी की बॉटल रखी है, 10 डिग्री पे है, 10 डिग्री, 9 डिग्री, 8 डिग्री, 7 डिग्री, इसको ऑल कूल करते जाओ, फ्रीजर में रखो और कूल करते जाओ. द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन विल टेक्स प्लेस. बट एज सुन एज 4 डिग्री इज रीच्ड, एज सुन एज 4 डिग्री इज रीच्ड, उससे और कूल करोगे ना, मतलब आप पानी को फ्रीजर में रखोगे, नॉट इन द फ्रिज. फ्रिज is giving the temperature till 4 degree, but when you will keep in a freezer compartment, and that is why the freezer compartment is different in the fridge, so that if you cool further, water shows different behavior, and that is, instead of contraction, it expands. मतलब 4 से अगर 3 डिग्री करोगे, 2 डिग्री करोगे, 1 डिग्री करोगे उसको कूल, तो वो एक्सपांड होगी. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट इज द anomalous behavior of water. So between 0 degree to 4 degrees Celsius, children, the behavior of water is different. So if I'll say oppositely, if I take ice, water नहीं है, अगर मैंने ice लिया, ice at 0 degree Celsius, so from 0 to 4, what will happen? You are giving the heat लग देते तो अब नॉर्मली क्या होता है, एक्सपांड होता है. बट इन केस ऑफ आइस टिल 4 डिग्री इट विल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. एक बार 4 डिग्री हो गया, उसके बाद में इट विल स्टार्ट एक्सपांडिंग. ओके, अ कॉमन सेंस की बात है. देखो ये आइस है, पानी के अंदर तैरेगा कि डूबेगा? आइस विल फ्लोट, isn't it? Why it is floating? Because the density is low. अभी पानी में से ही तो बना है, वही पानी ही है, आइस भी पानी ही है, but by then also it is floating, just because the ice has got a more volume. So volume more means density less, and that is why the ice is floating. अभी आप नॉर्मल घी लो, सॉलिड फॉर्म घी लो और लिक्विड फॉर्म घी लो, so what will happen? Solid form will be down and liquid form will be up, isn't it? It's a common sense. घर में मम्मी घी गरम करती हो कभी तो देख लेना, for some making some sweets or for applying on the chapati or something, you can observe. But solid form ice floats, so this is the reason. This behavior of water is called as the anomalous behavior of water. Let us understand how it will be. This anomalous behavior is useful to the aquatic creatures. Say here we have the fish. Okay, fishes are there. Here this is say our complete lake is there, and here all the fish are there. Okay, suppose at 0 degree, if entire thing will become at 4 degree, it will become ice, then this fish will become like a statue over there. It may die also, will not be able to move further. So it will become dangerous to all the aquatic animal if the temperature is to 0 degree Celsius. But children, God is great. God has given the birth to us, so He is making all the arrangement. What exactly happens is, first you will observe the top part is ice is formed. Now ice is a bad conductor of heat, so the further heat is not getting transferred. Okay, so down here you are going to have water only, and those all the aquatic creatures are able to move. Upper part of ice no doubt slowly the ice layer will increase, but this further और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गनेस है और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग, they will not allow the heat to move. Means heat मतलब यहाँ पे तो coolness है, but coolness is also type of heat only ना. So even that further coolness is also not allowed to go further in the water. So down deep in the lake the water remains as it is, and this is the reason how the aquatic animal can survive in the cold countries.